Welcome to this, our first episode of Yvonne's Spanish Kitchen. Yvonne will be attempting to emulate several traditional Spanish dishes. The first will be a dish from the Rioja region of Spain called Patatas Riojana. We hope you will follow along and enjoy in this new experience with us.
The main reason why we've chosen to do this is because of the starter dish that Mike had at Casa Nana in La Mata a couple of weeks ago. It was so tasty that I said I wanted to make it. So let's get cooking. This is my version of Patatas Riojana. It'll serve about 4 people, and the ingredients that you will need are 1.5 kilos of potatoes, 2 large onions, 200 grams of red pepper, 400 grams of chorizo, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 300 grams of carrots, 4 bay leaves, 4 large garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of fried tomato, olive oil, 500 ml of stock, salt and pepper, and a small glass of white wine, which is optional. First thing you need to do is peel and slice the carrots. Then de-seed and cut the red pepper. Peel and chop the onion. Peel and dice the potatoes. Make the stock. Cut and slice the chorizo. Crush 3 of the garlic cloves and chop the other 1 clove.
Why are you cutting this one?
Just so I can chop one up, just so that there's more little bits of garlic, because they'll stay whole. But this will distribute around the dish.
Cover the bottom of a large pan with olive oil and put the chopped onions into the pan.
I'm just going to put cover the bottom of the pan.
Wow, that's a lot.
Well, we don't want the onions burning, do we?
It's too fair, you know, it's £8 a bottle.
It's only come out as slow as your bottle of gin does. And I'm sure you count more than 7.
What smell, that smells nice.
And we're going to put in the onions.
Onions.
Turn that up a bit to get them going.
Fry them until softened and stir occasionally.
Keep stirring them so they don't burn. They get mixed up so they get a nice coating of the olive oil on them all. Just stirring the onions, they're starting to go brown now. Just keep stirring so they don't burn. They've just going a bit soft.
Add the cut red pepper.
So I'm going to put the red pepper in.
Red peppers are going in.
There we go.
Oh, look at that.
I'm going to put the carrots in.
Carrots are going in. Carrots are in.
If you feel as though it's sticking or burning or anything, you can put some more olive oil in.
You're going to put some wine in?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Why are you thirsty?
Can we have some wine now?
No.
Okay.
And I'm going to put the garlic in.
Garlic's going in.
Right, and I'm going to put the fried tomato in.
fried tomato.
Get this in a jar. I'm going to put 2 good spoons of that in, and just put a bit more in, just good luck. There we go. And we've got the smoked paprika. That. And the sweet paprika.
What's the difference between the sweet and the normal paprika?
Well, the other one was smoked. This is just sweet, it's not smoked. And give it a good stir.
Mix well and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick.
Smells good.
It does.
So chorizo next, then stock.
Chorizo, potatoes, salt and pepper, white wine. So now I'm going to put the chorizo in.
Now, how long has that been like that? Will you say?
About 5 minutes.
Right, 5 minutes like that, and that.
About 5 minutes, just make sure it doesn't burn. And now I'm going to put the chorizo in.
Chorizo in.
Whoa.
There it goes. Whoa, there's the stuff.
Just let that cook a little bit. I'm going to put some potatoes in now.
Potatoes in next.
Just let your chorizo cook a little bit. And then potatoes. And then we can get in so just a little bit of salt, pepper, freshly ground black pepper. You put as much or as little in as you want, just do it to your own taste. Right, now for the white wine. Wait till you get the smell of that cooking. Right, and now for the stock.
In the stock.
There, that's about right, that.
Oh yeah, that's good.
And then, just another little stir. I'm going to put the bay leaves in now.
That's the one.
They give it lots of flavour and aroma. Putting 4 bay leaves in. Actually, I've got 5.
Put 5 in.
We'll put 5.
Push boat
They're
out a
only
bit.
Smaller ones out there. So, and then we're just going to leave it to simmer with the lid on for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
And then we'll come back and have a look and give it a stir. So we're going to have a look now. It's had about 10-15 minutes so far.
Looking good, isn't it?
I'm just going to give it a little stir. Oh, it smells gorgeous.
Does it? Oh yeah, it does.
Can you smell it?
I smell it myself now.
I think because there's a lot of potatoes, it might take longer than what I thought.
We put lots of potatoes in, didn't we?
There's a lot of potato, but it is a potato dish, so it is, the majority of it is potato.
Are the potatoes hard?
They are still hard,
So it needs a lot longer yet, doesn't
so
it?
it needs quite a lot longer yet. If you were doing it in a smaller pan, a smaller quantity, then it might not take as long. Right, I'm going to put the lid back on again and leave it to simmer away.
Simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes until the potatoes are cooked and soft.
Oh, is it time?
It's ready. Here we go.
Starving.
Long-awaited meal.
Serve with some fresh crusty bread.
it look as good as the one at Casa Mama?
Yeah. Was it good?
Very good.
Very good indeed.
Very tasty. This was the first in our new series of Yvonne's Spanish Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed watching and maybe you'll have a go at making the dish yourself. If so, let us know how it goes, and if you enjoyed the dish, we hope to bring you many more Spanish dishes to tempt you in the future.
Mmm. Ooh.
Bing!
Cheers.
Cheers!